Enabling Dial Assist on the iPhone 15 automatically adds the correct international or local prefix for calls, simplifying dialing, while disabling it allows manual prefix input and can prevent errors in areas where automatic detection may fail. Here's how you do it. First, return to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. Then, tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Phone. Next, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the Dial Assist toggle switch to either enable or disable it. Dial Assist automatically determines the correct international or local prefix when dialing, making it easier to make phone calls. When you open the phone app and make a call, the phone will automatically use the correct prefix for international calls if Dial Assist is enabled. That's all there is to it. You've successfully managed the Dial Assist settings on your iPhone 15. Thank you for following this guide. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.